All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday and it is my day of going to datacenters.com, which I'm going to go to my husband's company and I'm going to juice with him some of his employees. President's actually injured, so we're doing a little bit of a different type of juice. But let me show you and let me get ready first. So let me get my juice because without my juice, I can't function. So here I got my juice. I'm gonna get my vitamins. So I got a bunch of supplements in here and I got CQ10, I got turmeric, I got magnesium, I got ashwagandha, which is awesome. Got a bunch of different vitamins that I take every day. And see how cute? Just makes it simple. Let me see. Let's go check out the morning out there. Ah, love it. I gotta come out here every morning just to connect spiritually, mentally, just start off my day. And you know what I love the most? The sound of water. I love sound of water and the birds. Love it. So cool. All right, let me do my skincare routine. So since I'm 49, okay, and hitting close to my 50s, my skincare routine is like, I love doing my daytime, but my favorite is nighttime for sure. And I love doing just taking care of my skin because I don't want to age. I mean, but here and there I get these little wrinkles that come out new and then I'm like, where did you come from? I'm not happy with you. So every morning I absolutely take care of my skin and it just feels so good. See, now I feel good. And then the other thing that I'm obsessed with is this little guy here, Kick-Ass Immune. Oh my God, for your immune system. This is so good. So I do this every morning, like 5 to 6 drops, boom. So one of the things that I've incorporated into my programs is I've been going to corporations and trying to get more corporations to add juicing for their employees. Because with juicing, you prevent so many diseases, you heal your body, you gain so much energy. Employees are actually more productive, more happy because of it. So it's been something that I've incorporated new into my programs and I'm absolutely in love with it because I like to see their expressions when they first drink the juice, when they do the shots that I do for the immune system, and just asking them questions about their wellness. And after they juice, I love to see the reaction. That has been like a lot of fun. Let's go get dressed. All right, let me see what I'm gonna wear today because I'm always in leggings because I'm constantly working out and just cash. But since I'm going to a company, I gotta pick out a little bit more business casual attire, which I love my Lululemons, I love my leggings, I love my workout clothes. So I'm gonna pick something and then I'll see you on the other side. I'm dressed. What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Very like simple. I'm a little cash, but I think I can pass the test. All right, let me go put some makeup on now and fix his hair. Oh my God, this hair. I'm just gonna like pick it up here so that I can look somewhat human. Let me tell you though, I gotta say, my hair has gone a long ways. So in 2019, I put these 16-inch extensions on my hair. The worst mistake I ever did. But you know, I always live life like, hey, don't regret the things you do, regret the things you don't do. So I don't regret it, but in a way I do. But after I took those extensions, my hair fell off, everything fell off. And then it took me years to like restore my hair. But ever since I started like juicing and really getting into a healthy lifestyle, after recovering from alcohol, my life completely transformed. My hair has gone from A to Z. Like I had no hair. It was so brittle, broken, dry. It was horrible, thin. And now I look at my hair and I'm like, holy cow, this is like crazy. And I'm telling you, the nutrients make a huge difference because of all the vitamins and minerals that you're adding into your body. It makes a huge difference. So now let me put my makeup on. A little Fenty from Rihanna. Boop, boop, boop. I love her concealer. Let me pencil in my eyebrows. I love Rare Beauty by Selena. I love her lipstick. And then let me put my mascara, which this one, I've been really liking this mascara, better than Sex. I don't know about that, but it actually does the job on your lashes. So, do I look decent? I think I do. Let's go downstairs because I'm ready to head out. I'm gonna pack up the juicer, the ingredients. So part of my tours are packing all the ingredients and my juicer. And look how cute what I got, this little bag with a Frenchie. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna get all my ingredients first. I got all my veggies stacked up in here. I got my bad boy juicer, the Nama J2. And let's get ready to head out. Oh, my, thank God I work out. Let me stick this in here. Oh, this is not funny. Well, we finally got spring weather here and in Colorado, which is awesome because after my tour today, I'm gonna go play golf because I love golf. I'm a golf addict. We're getting close to data centers. We're getting here. The parking spots in this building suck. They're like super tiny. So let's see if we find a good one. I got one squatting. All right, so I'm here with Mike, CTO of datacenters.com, but I want to ask you, have you juiced before?
I have never juiced before.
What?
So I'm a first timer.
So I brought a little bit of different vegetables and fruit. Okay. So it's an 80-20, more veggies, a little bit of fruit too.
I'm excited, let's do it.
Well, I'm here with my husband, CEO of datacenters.com. I came to visit him. Babe, tell them, what do you like more about juicing? What's like the one thing you love about juicing?
I love the way it makes me feel. I mean, I'm addicted to juicing.
Yeah, I know.
As you can imagine, I now drink it every day, but I get upset with her if we don't have fresh juice in the morning because I just love to start my day with that. It gives me more focus, more energy.
Yeah.
It lowers my stress levels, if you can believe that. I mean, I just...
A little bit. He's always stressed out. Cheers.
Cheers.
To health.
Yes. I like fresh juice.
Man, it's yeah.
Man, that's goodness right
You
there.
just feel it. You feel it. My
You'll
favorite
see,
word, fresh.
Mike's gonna be on fire.
Yeah.
Never coated like this before.
Joel, I need some more juice.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about the surgery.
I just had sinus surgery done to
Yeah.
improve my breathing.
Oh,
You know,
wow.
I just wasn't able to breathe through my nose almost at all.
Wow.
So I went and I saw the surgeon, did an evaluation, and they got in there. It was more complicated than they thought. There was more going on, but it was quick surgery in and out that day, but it's a long recovery.
All right, good. Well, this is going to help you
Yeah,
because of all the antioxidants that it has.
yeah. Well,
You
I'm
know.
glad somebody's taking care of me.
One of the things that heals, or recovers, or reduces inflammation and things like injuries, magnesium is huge. So kale, spinach, celery, it has a lot of magnesium. As you know, once you juice it, even more. But you can actually even get the supplement because it's really good for you. Ashwagandha, honestly, those are the two top supplements that I would highly you take, and they're gonna really help when it comes to reducing inflammation and muscle recovery and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour with datacenters.com and being able to juice with Mike and my husband. This is kind of I love what I do. It's passionate. And if you got anything from it, like and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna keep on showing you around.